Biotechnology, the exploitation of biological processes for industrial and other purposes, especially the genetic manipulation of microorganisms for the production of antibiotics, hormones, etc. Or biotechnology is the use of living organisms, especially microorganisms, in industrial, agricultural, medical, and other technological applications. Importance of biotechnology: I. To increases production. 2. To introduce improved quality of seeds and plants. 3. To introduce plants resistant to disease and insect pests. 4. To introduce varieties suited to particular climates and soils. V. To introduce varieties resistant to lodging. 6. To improve nutritional value of crops. 7. To save rare varieties of plants by rapid clonal propagation for breeders to use in future.